If you've ever imagined what it would feel like to hit a massive lottery win without standing in line at a convenience store or scratching paper tickets at your kitchen table, then this is exactly the kind of video that pulls you in. Because in 2026, the way people play the lottery has completely changed. Everything is faster, digital, and surprisingly simple. And right in the middle of that shift is one of the most talked about platforms in the space, Jackpocket, along with a growing list of other lottery apps that let you buy tickets straight from your phone in just a few taps. Now, before anything else, let's be clear about what's actually happening here. Lottery apps don't magically create winning numbers or increase your odds in any special way. What they do is remove the physical barrier. Instead of driving to a store, instead of waiting in line, instead of worrying if you missed the cutoff time, you can now enter official state lotteries through your phone. That convenience is what has made this industry explode in popularity, especially among younger users who are used to doing everything digitally already. So when people search Best Lottery Apps 2026 or How to Buy Lottery Tickets Online Safely, what they're really trying to understand is simple. Which apps are legit, how do they work, and how do you actually use them without getting confused or wasting money? Let's walk through it in a real, simple way, just like you're setting it up for the first time. When you open a platform like Jackpocket, the experience is designed to feel familiar. You're not dropped into something complicated or technical. Instead, you see a clean interface showing different state lotteries depending on your location. That matters because lottery laws are still controlled state by state in the US, so these apps act like a bridge between you and the official lottery system. You pick your state, and suddenly you're looking at real games you'd normally see in stores. Powerball, Mega Millions, state-specific draws, daily pick games, scratch tickets depending on availability, everything organised neatly on your screen. It feels less like gambling chaos and more like an online shopping experience. Now, here's where the Jackpocket system becomes interesting. When you select a ticket, you're not directly printing a digital lottery ticket. Instead, the app acts as a courier. That means a real person working through the platform physically purchases your ticket from an authorized retailer. Then the app scans and stores a copy of it in your account. So even though you're playing on your phone, the ticket itself is still a real, official lottery ticket. That's one of the biggest reasons platforms like Jackpocket gain trust over the years. Once you choose your game, the next step is selecting your numbers. This is where most people either overthink or underthink the process. Some players always go with birthdays, anniversaries, or lucky numbers. Others just hit quick pick and let the system generate random numbers instantly. There is no correct strategy because lottery outcomes are random by design, but the app makes it easy either way. You can manually choose every number or just tap a button and move on. After that, you select how many draws you want to enter. Some people play just one draw for excitement. Others set up multiple draws in advance, almost like scheduling future entries so they don't have to think about it again. This is where the convenience of modern lottery apps really shows up. You can set your participation and forget about it until results are announced. Then comes payment. Everything is handled digitally, usually through debit card, credit card, or supported mobile payment systems, depending on your region. The app confirms your purchase instantly, and then your ticket is processed. After the ticket is purchased, you receive a scanned copy stored inside the app. This is extremely important because it becomes your proof of ownership. If that ticket wins, the app notifies you automatically. For smaller wins, funds are usually deposited directly into your account balance within the app. For larger wins, especially life-changing jackpots, the app guides you through claiming your prize securely, often involving identity verification and official lottery commission procedures. This entire process is why lottery apps have become so popular in 2026. It's not about changing the game itself, it's about simplifying access to it. Now, Jackpocket isn't the only option people talk about. There are also other lottery platforms depending on region and legality, but Jackpocket remains one of the most recognised names in the space because of its long-standing partnerships with official lottery retailers and its wide availability in multiple US states. When people search for safe lottery apps, they usually end up comparing features like ease of use, availability in their state, fees, withdrawal methods, and how quickly winnings are processed. One of the biggest things users appreciate is the clarity. Instead of wondering whether a ticket was actually purchased, everything is tracked in real time. You see your ticket number, the draw date, and confirmation details. That transparency is a major reason these apps are trusted compared to random, unofficial websites that promise lottery services but aren't connected to official systems. But let's talk realistically for a moment. Lottery apps can make participation easier, but they don't change probability. The odds of winning major lotteries like Powerball or Mega Millions remain extremely low. That's why most experienced players treat it as entertainment rather than a financial strategy. It's the same mindset as buying a movie ticket or going to a concert. You're paying for the experience and the possibility, not a guaranteed return. Still, the excitement is what keeps people coming back. The moment between buying your ticket and waiting for the draw creates a sense of anticipation that is hard to replicate in other forms of digital entertainment. And because everything is now on your phone, that excitement becomes part of your daily routine instead of something you have to physically plan for. In terms of setup, getting started is usually very simple. You download the app, create an account, verify your identity depending on your region, and then link a payment method. Within minutes, you can go from zero to fully participating in real lottery draws. There's no complicated onboarding process, no paperwork, and no need to visit any physical location. Security is also a major focus for these platforms. Since real money and official tickets are involved, apps like Jackpocket use encryption, identity verification systems, and secure payment gateways to protect users. They also have strict age restrictions, meaning only eligible adults can participate based on local laws. Another important detail is withdrawal. If you win, you don't have to jump through unnecessary hoops for small amounts. Many apps automatically credit your winnings into your wallet inside the platform. From there, you can either reinvest into new tickets or withdraw to your bank account. For larger prizes, especially jackpot level wins, the process involves direct coordination with lottery authorities to ensure everything is handled legally and securely. Now, when people search for Best Lottery Apps 2026, what they usually want is not just Jackpocket, but also an understanding of what makes a good app in general. A good lottery app should be licensed, easy to use, transparent about fees, available in your region, and able to show proof of ticket purchase. If an app cannot show you an official ticket or verification, that's a red flag. The rise of mobile lottery platforms also reflects a bigger trend in digital life. Everything is becoming app-based. From banking to entertainment to investing, people no longer want physical steps if they can avoid them. Lottery apps simply follow that same pattern. They bring a traditional system into a digital environment without changing the core rules. As we move further into 2026, we're likely to see even more integration. Some apps are already experimenting with notifications that analyze draw history, remind users of upcoming jackpots, or suggest games based on user behavior. However, none of these features affect randomness. They only improve convenience and engagement. At the end of the day, using lottery apps like Jackpocket is about accessibility. It's about being able to participate in something global and long-standing without needing to physically go anywhere. You open your phone, pick your numbers, confirm your entry, and wait for the draw like millions of others doing the exact same thing. And that moment of waiting, that small spark of what if, is really the entire experience. Whether you're using it casually once in a while or checking draws every week, the process stays the same. Simple, fast, and fully digital. And that is exactly why lottery apps have become one of the most talked about digital tools in 2026.